Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter verification issues. First, check if you meet the verification requirement. Act usually required your account to be active, authentic, and complete. Make sure your profile has a profile photo, displaying name and bio. After that, go to the setting, then account information, and verify your phone number and email if you are not confirmed. Make sure your account is public. If your account is private, verification may not work. Go to the privacy setting and turn off the protected account option. If your account has been suspended or limited recently, you may not be eligible for verification. Wait until your account is back on good stand. Use your real blend name, add a clear profile photo, and write a short bio that explains who you are. And finally, be patient. Verification request can take time to review. If your request is denied, you can usually apply again after waiting period. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.